So welcome back, guys, and we're back to do drawing 7. And drawing 7, I'm going to use the same technique as we've used in doing drawings 4, 5 and 6, where I'm going to draw the profile of the image and then extrude it. And in drawing number 8, I'm going to show you how to do the block and then remove the part, because it's a bit tricky. Alright, here we go. So drawing number 7. Back up the top, left hand corner for new, metric, standard millimeters, create. Back up to the top left hand corner again for start sketch, XY plane, nothing's changed. And just like we did in drawings 4, 5 and 6, I'm going to use the line tool, which is right up next to the sketch tool. Come down to the origin, wait till it goes green, there we go, and draw my appropriate shape. So remember, I don't have to have my sizes right at this stage. I'm just looking to get the profile right. Yep. Okay, now I'm going to add my dimensions in. Now we know that we have a 50 by 30 by 20 block. And in this case, this bottom edge happens to be 50 millimeters long. So I'm going to click on that point and that edge and drag it down and type in 50, enter. As you can see, we can't see our project. So when we can't see our project, we go up to our drawing box up here, look at the word front and left click on it once. Now it brings it back. Got it there. We know from our drawing that the height of it has to be 20 millimeters, so from the top to the bottom has to be 20. Enter. Alright, and in this case we know the length of this part here. So where we've always been going from here to here, we don't have to do that. We can click on a part, click and drag up, click, and I'm left clicking in both those cases, and the dimension is 30, enter. So I've got my profile drawn. I didn't have to worry about the angle where it started, because I know where it starts, I know where it finishes, so I didn't have to worry about calculating angles or doing any Pythagoras or anything like that, no trigonometry. Just by putting the simple sizes in, I was able to work out the shape. And that's where this technique is really, really effective. So I'm going to finish that sketch, go back over to my drawing cube over here, click on the corner, hit the extrude button, check I'm going to extrude it by 30 millimeters this time, not 50, but 30 millimeters, and go OK. Looking at my drawing, looking at my sample on my sheet, they look the same, so I'm happy with that, and I'm going to save that now. So file, save as, drawing 8, no, drawing 7, correct, and save. And then I'm finished. When we return, I'll do drawing number 8 and I'll show you how to draw the cube and then remove that. It's a little bit more different. Okay, till then, ciao.